Hey boo, so I just got back from my ride. She is dry, okay? So this is the after results when it's fully dry. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna put on my robe since it's white. So you can see it better, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna tuck her back so y'all can get the good goods, okay? I'm waiting. I'm trying to get close. Trying. Okay. I just wanted y'all to see how this mug look. And this is just the retwist. So it can look like this all the time if you upkeep your stuff. If you know how to upkeep it, just whenever it's looking bad, just go and do one at a time. It doesn't matter. Just upkeep it when it feels dry. Retwist it. You're gonna retain length. Your hair's gonna look on fleek. You're gonna look like you got that God mode hair, okay?